What do you got there? Oh, nice weed fish. Save that. I got some salad dressing back at camp. Well, we're in the Sandy River in off Winterford Lake. It's raining like a son of a bitch, so we're figured we'd get off the lake out of the wind and park her in here, and hopefully this little bit of rain that's just pounding the crap out of everything is gonna blow over us again. This is I think the third rainstorm today. We just hang out in the tent underneath the roof and keep on fishing. Gotta be dedicated or crazy. A little crazy don't hurt.